Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I just thought I would do a quick little video for you guys to show you how I do my almonds in sugar coating. It's super easy, and I'm making this today to go on a coleslaw. It's like an Oriental coleslaw. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is I use sliced almonds for this. And this is how I buy them, just in a bag. And the recipe calls for a half a cup. So I just put that right in there. I'm going to turn my burner on about medium-low. And then it calls for 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. You can use just the granulated sugar. This particular one is pure cane sugar that I'm using today. So anyway, what you do is you stir this constantly until all the sugar is melted and has coated these almonds. You see that?
Yes.
So I'm going to go ahead. That's all you do. So I'm going to be stirring this for a little bit, and I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like at the end. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how that sugar is starting to clump up and starting to melt. I have been stirring this the whole time. When you stir it though, be careful that you don't break the nuts because these sliced almonds are kind of delicate. So anyway, I can really start to smell it now. It'll probably be about another minute and we'll be done. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like at the tail end. Oh, look at this, you guys. Oh, they're all sugar coated. Smells so good. And what I did is I just put a piece of parchment paper over this plate, and I'm going to spread them out. That way they don't all stick together. I'm just scraping out the little bits here. This is a great recipe. You can do this with any kind of a nut. Doesn't that look yummy?
Looks good, Miss Glow.
Yep, so they got to cool. One thing you want to make sure of, you don't handle this right now while it's still hot with your fingers because it will burn you. Well, now it's time for the taste test for these sugar-coated almonds. Look how nice those are, you guys. Can you hear how crisp they are too?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm just taking
I'm gonna try a couple myself here in a minute.
Just a hint of sugar with that, with those almonds. Oh, perfect for a salad. These are really good. So I'm glad you joined me today. And if you've enjoyed this and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, and like and share with your friends. And again, thank you for joining us. I really appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.